Afternoon, everyone. Here we are on number 9. It's official. We are applying the Better Billy Bumper polymer as of today. Moisture levels are right in the gravel. We got guys manning the hose, raking out the footprints. Got our main guy, Victor, here, applying the polymer. After this sits overnight, tomorrow we'll walk all of this, look for areas that got missed or skipped or any places that the polymer didn't set up correctly, at which point we'll circle those with a paint gun, respray them, and we should be ready for sand probably on Sunday. Really exciting. It's such a cool process. I'm gonna be very careful. Don't want to get any of this on you. It's all glue. That's why Victor's spraying there. He's got his Tyvek suit on.